in the heart of a lush, verdant forest, where the sunbeams danced through the leaves, lived a tiny creature named Teddy, a resilient tardigrade. Teddy was small, so small that he could hide in the tiniest of cracks. But despite his size, he had a heart as big as the universe. One day, a powerful storm swept through the forest, uprooting trees and sending the forest creatures scurrying for cover. Teddy, too, sought refuge, but his home was swept away. The storm raged on, and Teddy found himself in the torrential rain, surrounded by the chaos. He was scared, but his heart was still brave. Suddenly, the rain stopped, and the sky cleared. The forest was silent, and Teddy, still in the rain, felt a strange sense of peace. He looked around and saw the destruction the storm had caused. He saw the broken branches, the uprooted trees, and the frightened creatures. Then, he saw something extraordinary, a small, lost child. The child was cold, scared, and alone. Teddy, despite his own fear and vulnerability, knew what he had to do. He approached the child, and with all the strength he could muster, he wrapped himself around the child, providing warmth and comfort. The child soon felt better, and together, they navigated the storm-ravaged forest. They found shelter and food, and the child was safe. Teddy's bravery didn't go unnoticed. The other forest creatures praised him, calling him a hero. But Teddy didn't see himself as a hero. He was just a tiny tardigrade, doing what was right. The story of Teddy spread far and wide, inspiring other creatures to be brave, to be kind, and to help others in need. And Teddy, though still small, became a symbol of hope and courage in the heart of the forest. And so, the moral of the story is this: no matter how small or insignificant you may feel, remember that you have the power to make a difference. Be brave, be kind, and help others, for in doing so, you may become a beacon of hope and inspire others to do the same.